everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Preparing a variety of snacks can be the most daunting task for many mothers. So to make it easy for them, I'm going to show you an easy, filling and wholesome recipe today with a lot of vegetables. These are mini vegetable pancakes. This entices not only kids but also adults equally with its wonderful taste. So let's get started and check out the recipe. So first we're going to cook all the vegetables for these pancakes. To a pan, add about 3 teaspoons of oil. Once the pan is heated up, I'm adding 1 large onion. It's been thinly sliced. After adding the onions, I'm adding about 5 cloves of garlic that's been thinly sliced. Next, add about 3 green chillies finely chopped. I'm also adding 1 bowl of nice thinly shredded cabbage and 2 medium-sized carrots that's been finely grated. So just mix all the vegetables, saute it for about 2 to 3 minutes. You can just omit the green chillies if you're making this for your kids, if they don't like spice, and you can add the rest of the ingredients. I'm going to season the vegetables with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon pepper, add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. Mix the vegetables along with the spice powders. I'm just adding about 1/4 cup of water to cook the vegetables. Close the pan and let this cook for about 5 minutes. Keep the flame on medium. So after 5 minutes you can see the vegetables are cooked beautifully. Turn off the stove at this point. We need to transfer this mixture to another bowl. So the vegetables have cooled down. I'm just adding some chopped coriander leaves. To this I'm going to add half cup of wheat flour, that is atta. So I'm going to add half cup of roasted chana dal. So I've actually ground this roasted chana dal to a nice fine powder and I'm going to use this. Now you can either do that or you can use besan. Now just mix everything together. I'm not adding any water at this point. First mix everything till it all coats the vegetables. So once you've done that, so now you can see it's a little thick, it's sticky. I'm just going to add a little water because we're going to make small pancakes with this mixture. Just a little more water. After adding the flour, you can check for seasoning at this point, and if you do need to add a little bit of salt, you can add it. This is a nice dropping consistency that we have here. So now the mixture is ready. Let's start making these mini pancakes. Heat a nice tawa. Take a spoonful of the vegetable mixture, place it on the hot tawa and gently press it. Maintain the flame on a medium. This makes for a very nice finger food. Like I said, if you're making these for your kids, you can omit the green chillies and you can make them without the green chillies. It will take about 3 to 4 minutes to cook on each side. Fry it till it turns to a nice golden brown color like this. So when kids come home from school, when they are hungry, you can prepare this mixture and keep it ready. And as soon as they come, you can make these nice hot tasty pancakes and you can give it to them. They also make for a very nice lunchbox recipe. You can also use other vegetables like zucchini, mushrooms, sweet corn, baby corn, etc. and make it as rich as you like. That's it. These pancakes are so tasty and very easy to make. You can enjoy them for breakfast or even for light dinners. Now I've served it with some tomato ketchup by the side, but you can enjoy it however you like. Do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.